everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how you can create a landing page on HubSpot. First thing you got to do is log into your HubSpot account and you're going to click this icon over here that says content and select landing page. And then you can click start from scratch, and over here you're going to see a bunch of templates that are available for you to choose from. So I like this template over here, so I'm going to select that. All right, so this is what your interface would look like. So the first thing I did was I went over here and added a name. So this is called as landing page 1, and this is what my interface looks like right now. All I need to do is go in and plug and play. So we have this icon over here that says add. When you select that, you're going to see that we have different modules, sections, and layouts that we can add to organize our landing page. When you select modules, you're going to see that you have a heading section over here, an anchor, a button tab over here, a card, images and text as well. You have pricing card as well if you want to use those. And this is really great, so that way you don't have to build anything from scratch. So now let's say I want to add a testimonial slider over here. I can do that and just plug it over here. And yeah, this is what it is going to look like. And now all I need to do is go and change in the information by selecting the pencil icon. So we have a testimonial quotation text over here. So you can just select that, delete it, add your text over here, which is going to be reflected on this section. We have the author name over here. So the customer name one, this is where you're going to see this text displayed on the screen. The images that you add will be reflected over here as well. And you can also add an alt text. And this is where you're going to see the image that is reflected over here. And if you want somebody to click this link and direct it to another page on your website, you can do that as well by adding the link over here. So this is just a quick example of how you can add an element and customize it based on what you are trying to create. Now, let's say I don't want this section and I want to get rid of it. I can just select it and click delete section, and that would be gone. Let's say hypothetically, I am running an ad on LinkedIn and I am targeting my audience and telling them that they're going to get this marketing playbook by clicking on the CTA button on my ad. And when they do that, they're going to come to this page, which is my landing page. And they have to fill out their information. And based on that, they're going to get that digital playbook that I'm selling. So what that is going to do is provide me a lead. And I can use that lead to nurture it and to send them emails and all sorts of interesting information, and basically build a relationship with them with the idea that someday they will be my actual customers. So I want to add a form over here, and I'm going to give this a title. We're going to call this Ready to Transform Your Strategy. And we're going to select a form over here. If you already have a form that you've built into HubSpot, you can plug it over here. And if you don't, you can click Create a New Form and give this a title. And here you can enter your form field. So currently we do have the email tab over here, which is where the user can enter their email address. You can edit the button text as well. It says submit. And also you can edit your thank you message. And this is something that is going to be reflected once somebody enters their email address over here and hits the submit button. If you want to add another field, you can do that as well. So I want to add their name, first name, basically. So I can add that here. And for the thank you message, I don't want them to be redirected to another page. I want them to get a text that says, thanks for submitting the form. So that looks great to me. So I'll stick to that. And we also have the style section over here, which is where you can play around with the design of this form. So you can change the typography, the background color, border style, and all of that fun jazz. All right, so this looks great to me. Now I am going to go and click the add section over here, and I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and I want to add a social follow section here. So I'll just put that here. So that looks great to me. And you can go in here and select your social links as well. You can click this pencil icon and add your Facebook link, Twitter link, Instagram link, and things like that. You can also select the styles. So you can have them in a circle format, a rounded format, a square format, and all of that fun jazz. Now, the last thing I would like to do is go under my module section, and I'm going to search for logo. and I want to add a logo on top of this page. All right, so I added my logo here, and I changed the dimension. I added an alt text as well, and I can also link it to my actual website. So yeah, that's how you can add a logo as well. So we have a logo over here, we have some text, we have the form ready to go. When you scroll down, we have some testimonials as well, which is looking great. And we have some FAQs as well. So if you want, you can always go in and edit it and add your own information. So when you select that, you're going to come to this page. And if you click the pencil icon, you can add the title, which is the question, and the response over here. You also have a site navigator section, which is useful if you already have a website on HubSpot or a blog post and you want to integrate your landing page with all of those other assets out there. All right, so once all of this looks great to you, you can view this on a mobile screen and also on the computer screen to make sure it is looking good on all the four fronts. Okay, so now we are going to hit the publish button. So as you can see that our landing page has published so far, and this is our link. So of course, this is a very huge link, and we don't want it to be like that. So the ideal thing would be to connect it to a domain. So you're going to click add domain, connect a domain, and if you already have a domain you have purchased either on GoDaddy or any other platforms, you can integrate it over here. So yeah, that's how you can create a landing page on HubSpot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. HubSpot is a great tool. I specifically use it for email marketing, and I feel like the fact that they have this landing page feature as well, it makes it pretty easy for you to navigate different marketing processes in one interface. So whether you want to run an email marketing campaign that directs to a landing page or anything like that, it can all be done on HubSpot itself. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye now.